Hey, it's Augie at Switchback Trading. I'm going to run you through the Switchback Trading model, SBT model. If you're new to trading and you need a scalping model, this is by far the easiest and simplest model to learn. I studied ITC and all that, and I couldn't get my head around it. All the times that I chose the wrong fair value gap or inverted the wrong one, and this is cut and dry, simple. Okay, so let me run you through it. So basically, it's a mean revision model, scalping. What you want to do is you want to let price make a move. Okay, high to low, right here we got something. Okay, so price came in, made a high right here, made a low. That move there. Okay, we're gonna put the fib retracements on it, and we're going to measure it. But these aren't just the normal fib numbers. They're not fib numbers. It's the fib retracement tool. And then the settings is just 25, 50, 75, and 100% retracement. That's it. So so you can take the high to the low. Market made a high up here, came down here, made a low, right? So you got this measured move right there, okay? So that's your move. So put the fib retracement on it. High to the low, measured move, yeah. I like to use the candle bodies, not the wicks, wickety wick wick. Okay, and what happened? What do you see? Well, you've got the high to the low. Now it's in 4 equal measurements, right? Zones. 0% retracement, 20% retracement, 25% retracement, sorry. So this is your actual entry criteria. Once it crosses above the 25% retracement and closes above the EMA, that's your signal. So right here, this candle there, that closed above the 25% retracement and it closed above the EMA. Go long. That's scream and go long right there, okay? And your first profit target, TP1, is the 50% retracement level, okay? So 50% retracement level. Right, so we got the 50% retracement level is your first target, okay? That's TP1. TP2 is the 75% retracement level, and you can see it got hit. TP3, 100% retracement level. That did not get hit. It came close, but it didn't get hit. So basically, this would have been a winner because you had the TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 did not hit, so you would have had to move your stop to break even to make sure that a positive trade doesn't turn negative, okay? We don't do that. We don't do negative, positive trades turning negative, okay? No. And then you wait for the next setup. So basically, you would have scalped from the 25%, that's 506, up to 519, right? 519, 507 up to 519. So a quick 12-point scalp in 31:49. So less than 20 minutes, you would have had a 13-point scalp. Okay, so that's the switchback trading model. I mean, it just keeps repeating on every time frame. This is a 1-minute chart, but I've used it on a 5-second chart. I've used it on a 15-second chart. It's good for crypto, Forex, stocks, metals, futures, whatever you trade. It's a scalping model, switchback trading method, the SBT model. You get in at a defined entry point, you have a defined risk, and you have your profit targets. Ideally, you'd like to get in with at least 4 contracts. Why? The first one, you come out at the TP TP1, okay? TP1, take profit 1. Second contract out at TP2, the 75% retracement. Third contract, take it off at 100% retracement, that's TP3. And the fourth contract, we leave that in as a runner. Why? This is a trend reversal model. So if the trend actually truly reverses and you have a runner left in, the sky's the limit, you know what I mean? You leave that runner and slowly trail your stop up. And watch as the profits grow. You know, you need patience, you need to sit on your hands, but it's a free trade. Once you get to that point, you've booked 3 TPs, stops at break even, let it ride, let it run, see what happens, okay? So that's the switchback trading model. If you don't know it, you need to know it, you need to learn it, you need to exploit it, and you can just keep using it day in, day out. It's my bread and butter. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If not, till the next one.